se ko ai lunga le concept
When the reporting fapia, uma e ma lo leo, e sao, fa pui street yo ta, fa pui na uri ma.
pero
Leo, then it is me o ku nga me no mo sa lo ko e ba lo mo yang me fa.
Ole kali the concept this kasi ko section 137 is from bullet. Se ko ai
Yeah.
137 da ole highlight. La fa mai mango wel kala le KC dan fayalo corruption.
Yeah.
And ole sa kasi ko corruption and bribery of law enforcement officer. A law enforcement officer is liable to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 7 years, meaning up to 7 years, who corruptly accept, obtain, or agree to, or offers to accept or attempt to obtain any bribe for himself or herself, or any other person in respect of any act done or omitted, or to be done or omitted by him or her in his official capacity. Lea wa noti ko kongo famasingonga, yang pai kawali ole kongo isi mei lalo, alba ele kasi ko fiku lua, lewa wa funga le kongo uma wa noti kongo famasingonga, le sa ngoanga ale keisi na fai yalo, yukura. Ale sa ile kasi ko fiku corruption. Ole upo corruption se fa ngau mele corrupt. Apa pela o se sa ngoanga ale fai news le. This is so biased, man. You know, ele also fight in the media, in the middle. And yes, you guys are media people. I know my profession. Although it's fight in the middle, because you live in medical life. Ava pe prove na corrupt. Yala uli. Well, by all means, yala uli yala fa Ava pe foi like prove a corrupt. Yala uli. So are they saying it is immune leo ikula yeah. This is ridiculous, and it's a shamble, and it's a shame for Samoa to have this type of reporters reporting based on them choosing sides. Please have some cuts to quote the legislation. You know, it makes you look like Samoa is not going to be strong as a country without overseas nations. Okako exports is a metals, everything overseas. And a fragmented law then they will look different in Samoa and how they make deals with Samoa. Le mga kuha nila yung Australia, ila ko kulisi, makangakamu. Le na fama Lucia le, nga kalifa pui Kongo Samoa, and we all know who that is. And ole media kakaunga makwa stick ile middle. Makwa kulei ya government. You are the fourth arm of the government, but it sounds like you're not the fourth arm of the government. Makwa bias ah. Abai foi la levar nga ela mele sa kasi ko wiva ole Crimes Act. Kasi faz full and omolia mai sections ni. E mafaina ku vakasi pa e oro molia e apply individually apa pe fiku kausa mai lunga le corruptions and bribery of officials saula ia le kasi fase fulu limba kausa el kasi ko viva victory limba kausa saule fabricating evidence ko kausa saule conspiring to defeat justice ko kausa. This is how long e mafaina fa pu ye kana kai e mo mau pepelo and ele fa pe mo mau lumo senu it's a court. And the kakao will not to uphold the integrity of the Palpula Fongoma Mahamasinga. And the media, the protection of the media is from the law. It's not from the person you're interested to protect. If I have an issue with a person or a media, I prefer not to come up here and I will say I have no comments. Because that's my conflict of interest. But if I live in the media, it's not easy to discuss these things. But please, it's not for the best interest of your friend, of yourself. It's for the best interest of what is the point of having a parliament to pass legislations? While we actually, including the media, this is a shambles. And Samoa is better than this. Journalist. Regardless for alive, my But okay, more quality ma.
Naturally. Tây là số 6 cái số cái ngọc của
nó cái một cái giặc của này nó soạn sao người đang phải cái gì lâu corrupt. It is if I Singapore cái gì phải làm. So it's going down as on me sa on